Not coming from a good spot.
Okay. What is up, guys? Welcome to today's video. We've been going crazy all day because today I want to hear this freaking thing run. So as you can tell, the Corrado looks like it's almost back together. We've been going nuts trying to get this going. But yesterday you guys saw that we went crazy and got it in the car. It was a group effort. It was awesome. It was a good day. So hopefully we could get this thing to at least pop and bang a little bit. So we just got everything kind of finalized. There's some things rigged up right now. First issue, we have metal shavings coming from the engine.
Oh, great.
Want to show them?
From the outside of the engine? How weird!
So that's a first. So we got to figure out what's rubbing on what, because clearly that's not good.
We'll figure that out. Get that going. You got your parts to fix your Mark II.
I already
which
fixed
means
it. I fixed my Volkswagen.
You fixed it now, which means we're one step closer to seeing which one of these cars is faster.
Oh, RJ, excellent point.
Nice work there.
Love that.
There's no, yeah, that was it. That was the last bit.
All right. Well,
Whatever it is resolved itself.
Yeah, it clearance itself. So now we could throw the harness on and cross our fingers.
Plug it in, Jim.
Plug it in, plug it in.
Harness is on. All we have to do now, we're gonna pull the plugs. We're gonna shoot what we could figure out to be base timing because there's no timing cover on this thing. And well, if everything doesn't suck, it should start.
Yeah. Ready?
Yep. Can try and crank it with the, yep.
So right now, Jimmy has this cylinder 1 injector on, and I think he's gonna turn on the fuel pump right now. I'm just looking down in the cylinder to just make sure it's spraying fuel or...
Right down and kick it on.
Yeah, go ahead.
Fuel pump on.
Yup.
You got fuel?
I don't see anything going into the cylinder. So maybe our lines are backwards.
So possibly the fuel lines will be backwards. So let's just switch those up real quick and see what happens. Yep. All right, so that was right. Leave it, let it go again. Okay, cool. 2. All right, stop. Okay. Oh shit. The fuel pump is working and the lines are correct, so.
Look at that gas.
Is that apple cider?
Take a swig. So I think we had a huge epiphany on the fuel system, which is crazy that we didn't figure this out, well, honestly, years ago. So the way Josh has the fuel set up right now is he has the regulator right here, right? Has the return on the bottom, which is correct, and he had the feed going into the side of it because, well, it had a dash 6 fitting in it. And the way it's supposed to be is the fuel feed is actually supposed to go through the rail, through the regulator and bled just like every other fuel system ever. I don't know why we never even questioned that, but like it just kind of clicked right now. So I think this whole time Josh's fuel system has been hooked up incorrectly. Huh. We're in the middle of piecing together and fit. Look at this, nice, eh? I got lucky. So, yeah, none of them are matching, but look at this. We got red on this one, but whatever it takes. So. Not mad.
Just disappointed.
I hate doing this. So if you can do this, I love you.
I hate AN fittings with a passion.
Josh.
And the vise.
We love you, but I think we hate your car.
Oh yeah, I think we all do.
When it's running, I'm not gonna hate it anymore.
No, you can go for a nice ride. We gotta figure out seatbelts, but
That's your worry?
Yeah.
well, I mean,
Maybe
sure.
you should figure out the rest of your interior first. Seatbelts. Start with
the seats.
I don't have seatbelts. Brian, did you see how many comments on the other video about your Corrado? I'm taking a field trip with this camera to your house.
Send a picture. I'll post a picture on Instagram. All right, guys? Jeez.
Maybe from like 8 years ago?
Yeah, at least.
Here we go.
I don't think it was driving 8 years ago.
How are we looking?
Just this freaking thing. Check it out. Josh's new fuel lines. Actually doesn't look too jank, so. went over the throttle cable.
Oh, you.
What an idiot.
Yeah, what an idiot.
It's not even nothing. No pops, no bangs, no nothing, huh?
Do we indeed expert?
Don't indeed me. Truck kept going. Did it drop it?
Yeah, give me a second. Holy shit. Can we get the? Is the other battery hooked up right now?
Yeah, it is. Battery.
Josh, get that other battery.
More battery.
The other.
More power!
Oh wait, it wasn't hooked up.
Oh, never mind, Josh.
I forgot. I disconnected it when I water cooled the starter. Okay, are you ready, boys?
Yeah, let's
Send
give
it.
this a shot. Now it's back to dropping. It didn't drop that time. I literally watched it not drop, and I watched it grab RPM and shoot up.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah. Now it's not dropping.
You did it, guys!
What the fuck?
Okay.
Having
So
the
having
battery
a second
connected.
battery on the ground was screwing up the cam sensor?
Yeah, the cam sensor's pissed.
What the hell?
Should we just swap the batteries out?
No, I'm trying to figure out, like, logically in my head why the f that would happen.
You should just not think about it right now and make it
Battery
run.
up back there and see if it
Yeah,
does
do that.
anything.
Yeah, that's what I just said. But Brian's more popular, so he got to say it.
So the cam angle sensor, the signal is actually dropping periodically, and I didn't realize that because last time we never had that issue, so we were kind of looking at everything else. And well, for some reason, when Brian disconnected the secondary battery, it stopped dropping the signal. And that's the first time we cranked it after fixing the fuel lines without the secondary battery by accident. It's just layers of bullshit that are just like falling.
The life of a Volkswagen owner!
Honestly, I'm just embarrassed.
Let's see
so.
if it still holds
Yeah, look-
crank signal.
Yeah.
It's something.
Try it again.
It's running on 2 cylinders.
Okay, we're getting somewhere.
Whoa, Josh.
Progress. We've made progress.
Come on, this
Make
time.
progress.
This time. This might be the one right here.
I like when to continue. It's
I'm
like,
feeling this one.
Try it now.
A little bit more, a little something.
Fucking ran.
Ran. We didn't give up.
I don't know what you did on your computer while I was on my phone looking at memes, but okay.
Okay, well, we had a quick little discovery where we thought about something. I called Derek up and we kind of like took our brain power united. And well, we figured out since he has a cam angle sensor swap, basically something was swapped around as per usual. So after fixing this, and this, it all works out. And well, it literally just freaking ran and it sounded good. I think that sounded better than,
Well,
it sounded like something.
So the last clip you guys saw it running, it was only running on
2
cylinders. And
So-
now it's running on all 4.
all 4 cylinders.
And it sounded like a dang Volkswagen,
It
man.
sounded like a dang
Yeah.
Volkswagen. Oh yeah.
I think I'm gonna pass out because I can't believe
He's
this
gonna
fucking
throw up.
happened.
Do it again.
You want to do it again?
Do it again.
Let's do it again.
Do it again.
Steph, you want to turn the key on?
Do it again. See if the
gotta do
turbo
it.
spools up a little bit.
Okay, we can't run it for too long. There's no coolant in it. We don't want to make more issues.
All right, real quick, spool it, call it a day.
He sounds happy.
Battery's about to die.
Yeah.
Yeah.
sounds good to me.
It f***ing ran.
Yeah.
It's so weird.
I'm gonna go cry in the corner. I don't know what to do.
That was like a 180.
Oh, that was sick. Nice work.
Nice work, boys. Thank you.
Get some coolant in this thing. Get up to operating temp, and then we can start getting it ready for Josh to drive for the first time.
Woo! How long's it been?
I haven't driven a Corrado in, what was it? Like, that's probably, he actually drove the
Was that like
original one before I took it all apart.
Yeah, when's the last time you drove this car?
2011?
Yeah, it's been a while. Yeah, somewhere around there. I sat for
Literally almost been 10 years.
almost 10 years, yeah.
Last time I drove mine was probably 2012.
Yeah, oh yeah, so it'll be a little different experience.
Oh, Josh. It's a big week for you.
Oh yeah.
Big week.
All right, it's been a long day. We heard Josh's car run. Now, I need to hear DJ's car run. We got to get both running on the same day. This will be a huge freaking miracle. And well, it should run. It might not run well, but it should run.
What the fuck are you doing? What is he doing?
I don't know what I just walked into.
He's doing something. Good for him. 2 in 1 day? Mm-hmm. The intake manifold's back on?
Mm-hmm. I just threw the injectors back on. I did his fuel lines for him real quick. Checked everything once over. It should run. It might not run well, but it should run, and that's all I want. I want both cars running tonight, and that will be huge.
Donald, that would be huge. Come on, Dono!
Come on, Donnie boy. We've been going crazy all day. Start your goddamn car. We have power.
We have power. We have lights.
How you feeling about this, Drew?
Not great. I wish my ECU came in sooner.
You sleep. He goes, you sleep.
That is not my fault. My parts are.
It's weird seeing lights in this thing.
Don't worry, Drew. We'll help you out soon. Don't worry. This is a group
I don't need help.
Crank it.
Hey, the throttle position sensor is moving.
Here we go. Disconnected.
There we go.
There's a massive vacuum
There's a
leak.
huge. I thought this thing was gonna take off.
Yeah, no.
Hey, it ran kind of like shit, like I said, but it ran. It did run. It ran. It does run. It does run. 2 for 1. Hey. Good day. It's a good day. It's a long day. It's a good. This one, we'll get back to this one.
The intake is loose, right?
Couple 2 or 3 things to tighten up, and we'll try again later.
Yeah.
I'll get the ECU in there so we can get her nice and smooth.
The intake is just loose, but people are impatient. Can't tighten it.
I'm sorry. It's been a long day. I just really wanted that.
You needed that and that.
Yeah,
That's a W.
That's a huge W. So, all right. As you guys can probably tell, I am shot. It's been a long day. I know we just kind of started filming at the end of it, but I was on a mission today, and that mission was to get Josh's car running finally for the first time, like, well, I guess technically in like 10 years. And then DJ's car was just the icing on the cake. So we're gonna end it there for tonight. We still got a lot of work to do to get these things actually driving, but we've made good progress so far, and we are on a good path. So I'm gonna end it there so you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and good night. Peace.